Our parents trusted you because you speak the language, and you turned it into a business strategy by delaying paperwork, hiding fees, rushing signatures, and cutting corners because our parents, they couldn't question you. And now you're after the younger Somali generations who are chill like that? Nah. Because recently, a Somali brother who's trying to buy a house, he contacted a Somali real estate agent. And guess what? They lied about the contract. They lied about the fees. They lied about the numbers. Yeah, you know what he did? He switched agent ASAP to a white guy. And he got the best service. Yeah. Not because he hates Somalis, but because he wasn't lied to. Now, to all the Somalis who are locked in on businesses and everything, shout out to you guys. Let's raise our standard because the previous generation were not chill like that when it comes to providing services in our community or to others. Yeah, let's do better. Chill like that.